we have definite integral from -3 to 3 of x to 4 power with respect to x. First, we have to check if our function is continuous. X to 4 power is continuous function, so it will be continuous on interval from -3 to 3. Next step, because here we have even function, if you don't see, let me write this. When we have put f of x equals x to 4 power, now to check if our function is even, we have to find the value of our function for -x. It means we have to replace x by -x, and we have to 4 power. The power is even, it means this is equal x to 4. So we see that this is our f function. Because f of -x is equal f of x, it means our function x to 4 power is even. If we have definite integral of even function, let me write this formula. When we have integral from -a to a of even function f with respect to x, this is equal 2 times definite integral from 0 to a of f of x with respect to x. So it means we can rewrite our definite integral, and we will have 2 times definite integral from 0 to 3 of x to 4th power with respect to x. Next, first we have to solve our definite integral like indefinite integral. So we have to copy 2, and we have integral of power function. So we have times x to power 4 plus 1, and in denominator we have the same expression like in exponent, so it will be 4 plus 1. Plus, and we have a constant. For definite integral, we don't write this constant. We put vertical bar, and on the top we have upper limit, and on the bottom we have lower limit. So this is equal. We can simplify first. So it will be 2, and we have 4 plus 1 is 5, so it will be 2 over 5 times x to 5th power, and we have to put vertical bar from 0 to 3. Next, we have to plug first upper limit. In this example is 3, so it means we have to substitute x by 3. We have to copy 2 over 5, and we have times 3 to 5th power. Next, we have to subtract the lower limit. It means we have to now substitute x by 0. So it will be 2 over 5 times 0 to 5th power. So this is equal 2 over 5 we have to copy, and we have times 3 to 5th power is 243, and we have times 0 here, so will be 0. So this is equal 2 times 243 is 486 over 5. This is equal 97 and 1/5. This is my solution.